Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating the central repository and defining the minimal rules that keep the team aligned. Initialize README, gitignore, and a license so contributors know the project scope. Once done, enable branch protection on main and require pull request reviews. This prevents accidental pushes. Invite collaborators and assign roles, maintainer, contributor, or triager, so permissions match responsibilities. Make sure to create a default issue template and pull request template to standardize information each contribution needs. You now follow a predictable branching and review process to scale collaboration. Create a feature branch off main for each task and push frequently. Open a pull request that links to the issue, explains changes, lists tests performed, and requests specific reviewers. Make sure CI runs and passes automatically. Fix failures locally and push new commits. Once reviewers approve, use the agreed merge method, squash or rebase, so history stays clean and meaningful for future debugging. You finish by publishing and maintaining a stable project lifecycle. Tag a release and draft release notes referencing issues and PRs, then publish so users can install specific versions. After release, triage issues, merge hotfix branches for emergencies, and plan routine dependency upgrades. If something breaks in main, revert the offending pull request or reset to the last good tag. Use git bisect to identify the commit causing the regression. Keep one key troubleshooting habit. Reproduce locally.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.